Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute cultivating meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to continue laying down in your bed or wherever you are resting, or you can sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back, with your hands on your knees facing downwards to ground all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze, or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Take a deep inhale through your nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. With your eyes still gently closed, think about 3 to 5 things that you are grateful for in this moment. Breathe here naturally as you cultivate your gratitude and envisage what all you are thankful for. Let's take a deep inhale for 4 seconds. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. Then, with a deep sigh out, exhale for 4 seconds. 2 more times. Take a deep inhale in for 4 seconds. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. Then exhale with a deep sigh out for 4 seconds. One last time. Let's take a deep inhale in for 4 seconds. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. Then, with a deep sigh out, exhale for 4 seconds. Find your natural rhythm and breathe here naturally. Imagine that you open a door and see beautiful green grass surrounding a crisp, beautiful aqua body of water. You walk out and feel your bare feet on the soft grass and feel the warmth of the sunshine on your skin. You find the wind breeze through the air and smell the aromatic flowers with sweet fragrances. Continue to breathe here naturally. You hear the birds chirping in the gigantic trees surrounding you. As you continue to walk in the grass towards the body of water, you feel honored to be able to utilize all of your senses and enjoy the beauty of nature. Once you make it to the edge, you see your reflection in the water and begin to profess the 3 to 5 things that you are grateful for today. Let's take a deep inhale in for 4 seconds. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. Then, with a deep sigh out, exhale for 4 seconds. 2 more times. Take a deep inhale in for 4 seconds. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. Then exhale with a deep sigh out for 4 seconds. One last time. Let's take a deep inhale in for 4 seconds. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. Then, with a deep sigh out, exhale for 4 seconds. Find your natural rhythm and breathe here naturally. Any blessings we are grateful for and any lessons we are extremely appreciative of, so that we can become our best selves and evolve into who we are meant to be. Continue breathing naturally. All right, beautiful beings, as we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale in to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am cultivating gratitude and expressing it proudly. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I'm peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness, and I am taking back my power. I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken the body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, close your mouth and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side in a fetal position. Stay here for a moment and place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this cultivating gratitude meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.